So good day everyone. I am CJ Kirkus and today I'll present my activity 2 for website redesign. So I choose the Museum of that. That's it po. So first, I search and copied a background from Google. Then I use a Photoroom to get the text. And finally, edited and arranged everything in Adobe XD to improve fonts and layouts. So I pick why I choose it and bad design. So I picked the site because the old design looks outdated and hard to use. The background with blood splatters makes the text unreadable and the fonts and layout feel cluttered. Why it needs improvement? A museum website should be clear, informative, and professional. So visitors should easily see important details like location, hours, and admissions. So yung nire-design ko po, here's the original design. As you can see, messy background and a heavy fonts. Now, here's my redesign. So I use a clearer and texture background, clear fonts and better spacing. So it still keeps the theme, but is more modern and readable. So sa kabuuan po, my redesign focus on readability, contrast, and layout while keeping the theme. This shows how Adobe XD can turn a poor website into a better user experience. Thank you for watching.